Good morning, online learners. It is Monday, and we are about to jump into our project this week. Glad you guys are joining us. My name is Mr. Brown, and as always, if you get lost or you have any questions during this process, please feel free to email me at william.brown@terrelisd.org. We're going to be continuing to try to do a little bit of editing using WeVideo, which is an online video editor. It's not terrible, it's not great, but it's not the worst thing in the universe. So we're going to give this a shot. So if you will come over with me to your machine, and I've got our browser pulled up, so you should just be kind of on Google, and I'm going to go to wevideo.com. I can't spell video all of a sudden today. And when this pops up, well, mine actually already has me logged in. If you aren't logged in, you want to click the sign in with Google that's right about in this spot on your window. So you want to go ahead and get signed in, log in with Google, and that should bring you back here. Back here, we have some stuff left over from last week. So we're going to do a little bit of cleaning up, getting rid of these projects, and getting our new project set up. Our whole goal today is to get logged into WeVideo, import I put projects on here, but it should be import clips. Get our clips imported to where they need to be. Let those clips process, make sure everything is good, and then we're gonna clean up our old projects before we get out. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. Let's go ahead and go back to our computer screen. And what I wanna do is I wanna come up here to the very top where it says video, create new video. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Oh, they're getting things ready for us. That's nice. All right, let's select how we want this to look. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 16:9 vertical. And this kind of gets us back where we were the other day. We have these old clips. We're gonna get rid of those in a minute. Just clean all these out in just a minute. Well, we might as well go ahead and clean them out now. Let's do this. So I'm gonna click on each one and hold down the control button as I click. So I'm control clicking. So that literally means you hold the control button, you click the first one, hold the control button down, and click the rest of them. Control is CTRL, by the way. And now I have, for some reason, clicked off of it accidentally. Oh, uh-oh. Well, mine's being very goofy, so I'm just gonna do these three. Oh man, it's not wanting to help me out here. There we go, got them all fixed. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna hit delete. So I'm just gonna delete these right out of the project and get them out of here. It's gonna give you this warning that you're gonna be taking these out of any shared locations. And that's perfectly okay. We don't need them anywhere else because we're done with this part. So we're just gonna get them out of there. So I'm gonna hit delete. Oh, delete source media. Are you sure? Yeah, we're good. We're just gonna get it out of there. And it tells me that the media is in use because I accidentally double clicked one of these. So I'm just gonna click delete anyways and hit close. And now we're back to a very nice, clean, plain screen. Now, the next part is the part that I hate because I do not have a Chromebook. And basically I do my best to just guess at what it looks like for you guys, but I'm gonna try to walk you guys through this. Hopefully this works the same way. I have already given you guys in Google Classroom the different files we're gonna need today. There are 9 of them. One is an audio, a music track, and all the rest are different clips of sports. So, and then they're very short clips. And so what I want you to do, I want you to import all of these tracks to your Google Drive. So bring them into your Google Drive so that you have them in your Google Drive, not just shared from my Google Drive. So I'm gonna come back over here to WeVideo. Once you get those imported to your Google Drive or somewhere where you can access them, what I'm gonna do today is I'm actually gonna import these from my Google Drive. Because I have a PC, I can just drag and drop them. And if you did that last week and it worked and you want to do it the same way you did it last week, that's fine with me. I'm just trying to come up with something that works a little bit, different so that everybody has an opportunity. So I'm going to go one more time. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit import right here. I'm going to click down here on the Google Drive icon. And what I'm actually going to do now is go into my Google Drive eventually, one day. Meanwhile, we're gonna, oh, there he goes. I was gonna tell y'all a joke, but never mind, we're good. This is not the same for you. I am finding my files on my Google Drive, so you need to know where they are. So have your own organization set up. I have put mine in online course, and I have put mine in week 2. And this is not the right thing. I might have gotten lost. Oh, I double clicked week 1. I meant to click week 2. Here we go. Online course week 2. That's where mine are stored so that I know how to find them. And what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to click one of them, but then I'm going to hit Control A to select them all. And oh, there's the bell. It's time to, you know, leave and go to your next class. Except, I mean, you guys can leave and go to the kitchen and get a snack or something, I guess, maybe. I don't know. You're not going to your next class. So what we're going to do from here is I've got them all selected. Again, I clicked one of them, and then I clicked Control A, and then I hit Select. And what that is going to do is it's bringing all 9 of those files from my Google Drive into WeVideo. So if you did something last week and it worked really, really great, fantastic. Just do that again. That's okay. This is just a different way to do it once you have them in your Google Drive. You see these little squiggly lines underneath? Those are the processing. We're waiting for WeVideo to process these videos and get them where they need to be so that we can use them. And I do want you guys to actually wait and make sure these process all the way before you get off of the screen. And it may take a minute, so we're just gonna hang out and kind of wait and watch. We're down to 2, boxing and basketball. Which one's gonna win? What do you guys think? Oh, they finished about the same time. So when they're all processed, they should just be here. And what we're gonna be doing tomorrow is actually dragging them down here to video 1, 2, and audio, and we're gonna be creating our sequence there. But today, we just want to get these in and get them set up and ready to go. One last thing before we go back to our main screen is I'm gonna come up to my 3 dots, and I'm gonna go to Save As. And we're gonna change the name of this to what the project is actually gonna be called, which is MOVE, Move. So we're gonna save as Move, and I'm gonna hit OK. And it takes a minute, so just be patient, just hang out. All right, there we go, Move, bam, done. And from here, uh-oh, I think I broke it. From here, we want to go back to our main screen, and I gotta actually get back to the main screen, and I cannot remember how to do that. No one ever tells you this, but when you get old, you forget a lot of stuff. So hold on, let me look and see if I can figure out how to get us back to the main screen. So we're in Move, and man, oh man. Well, you guys probably know how to do it, and Mr. Brown is just totally forgetting. Oh, well, duh. I guess I should have just clicked at the top. And now I'm gonna go to Dashboard. Okay, so this is where I wanted to be. So I clicked on WeVideo, and then I just went back to Dashboard, and that works. So here is our Move project. Over here is our week 1 project. We don't need that anymore. That was just for the sake of playing around with things and getting used to it. You're gonna get credit for that. You're gonna get a good grade. And then we're going to, sorry about the yawn, we're going to be doing a full project this week in WeVideo, just a little bit at a time, because there's not a lot of detail we can go into with this online thing, but we're gonna do our best. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete week 1. So I'm just gonna mouse over my week 1 project, and I'm gonna hit delete. And do I want to delete it? Heck yes. And now it's gone. And so that is all that I need you guys to do for today. You've got your files in the project, you've cleaned up all the old files and they're gone, and now you are ready to, that's the warning bell, and now you are ready to start editing tomorrow. So if you have any problems with that, please feel free to email me, william.brown@terrellisd.org. Also, make sure on your attendance that you're doing your attendance before 11:59 p.m. at night, because if you're doing it after 11:59 p.m., you're absent for that day. So just make sure you're getting that done by 11:59 p.m. And there's a whole nother post out there where you're supposed to just respond to the question to be counted here. All right, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Hope this is easy for you today, and we'll be set up and ready to start tomorrow. See y'all then.